Okay, I'm going to start by describing how I view the physical puzzle, and in particular how I map it to the software version of the puzzle. Let me slide this around a little. So on the mc4d program, we can see 7 of the 8 faces. We'll call this cyan one top, we'll call purple bottom, this dark blue is left, the yellow is right, green is front, this orange color is back. I'm going to call this light blue color the inner face, and then the invisible face, the red one, is the outer face. So if I do a full rotation to move green into the middle, you can see that red face that was previously invisible, and so forth. So in the physical puzzle, the hypercube shaped, or I guess cube with some thickness shaped individual slices of the puzzle are represented by octahedrons. And so you can see their octahedrons, especially if you look at the interface. So this orange color, it's hard to see on this camera, but the middle square here is orange, has a square cross section no matter which way I slice it. So I could slice it this way, or I can look at it this way, or I can look at it this way, and in all cases you can see that square. So that's an octahedron. This is just really lucky because an octahedron has the same number of faces as a hypercube and the same number of vertices as a cube. So we're very lucky that the world worked out that way. So in the way I look at this is I call this slice top. So the blue one is top and the green one is the bottom. Now in this case the octahedron is inverted, but you can still see all 8 of the stickers. These tetrahedron stickers are all in the corners. So the top and the bottom faces are the ones whose stickers are in the corners. Now the inner face is not visible in this case, it's hidden in the inside, so that's orange. The invisible face in the software puzzle, the outer face, is divided between the top and the bottom. And then we've got front, which is the white face here. I'm going to pull it apart. That's the white face. That's front, left, right, and back. So front, left, right, and back are all fairly obvious, and the top and the bottom are the top and the bottom in the vertical position, and then again outer is what I've heard people refer to as the end caps, and inner is the hidden, this chunk is the inner face. I sort of use the terms face and slice interchangeably, and sometimes I say sticker when I mean cubey, but just to be very clear on the terminology, the stickers are these tetrahedrons. They correspond to the cubes, and you can see that the stickers, that each little cubey has 4 stickers, just like in the software version of the puzzle. Let me see, if I say highlight by cubey, then you can see that if I hover over this corner, you've got all 4 stickers, and so all 4 stickers are represented in the physical puzzle. So you can also see a relationship. If I were to rotate the top face, you can see that now the top face and the bottom face still look solid, but what used to be green is now where yellow is. What used to be yellow, or rather where green used to be, how do I say this? Blue is where green used to be, green is where yellow used to be, yellow is where orange used to be, and orange is where blue used to be. So the same pattern here. If I were to rotate the top face, now pink is where white used to be, and white is where purple used to be, and purple is where yellow used to be, and yellow is where pink used to be. And so you can see the correspondence between a twist on the software puzzle and a twist on the physical puzzle. And that's all I'm going to do with the software version of the puzzle. So I'm going to close my laptop now.